What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by brushing my teeth and washing my face.
What's your favorite breakfast?
I love having oatmeal with fruits for breakfast.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8:30 a.m.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
What do you do after school?
After school, I usually do my homework and then go for a walk.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend my evenings playing video games and chatting with friends.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you have any evening routines?
Yes, I like to read a book before going to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
How do you unwind before bed?
I unwind by listening to music or doing some light stretching.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
My favorite weekend activity is going hiking with friends.
Do you have any chores to do at home?
Yes, I help with chores like cleaning my room and doing the dishes.
What's your go-to snack during the day?
I enjoy snacking on fruits or nuts during the day.
How do you stay organized with your tasks?
I use a planner to stay organized and keep track of my assignments and activities.
What's your bedtime routine?
My bedtime routine includes brushing my teeth, reading for a bit, and then turning off the lights.
Do you participate in any extracurricular activities?
Yes, I play soccer after school and participate in the school's drama club.
How do you handle stress during the day?
I take short breaks, practice deep breathing, or go for a quick walk to handle stress.
What's your favorite part of the morning routine?
I enjoy having a cup of tea or coffee in the morning.
Any special traditions you follow on weekends?
On weekends, I have a movie night with my family, and we take turns choosing the movie.
How do you stay motivated in the morning?
I set goals for the day and remind myself of the things I'm looking forward to.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy jogging in the park as my favorite form of exercise.
How do you handle early morning classes or meetings?
I make sure to get a good night's sleep and set multiple alarms to wake up on time.
Do you have a favorite study spot?
Yes, I prefer studying at the library where it's quiet and focused.
What's your ideal way to spend a lazy Sunday?
I like to spend a lazy Sunday reading a book or watching movies at home.
Any hobbies you pursue after school?
I enjoy playing the guitar and painting in my free time.
How do you balance academics and social life?
I prioritize my studies but also make time for friends and social activities on weekends.
What's your favorite part of the weekend mornings?
I love having a leisurely breakfast and spending time with family on weekend mornings.
Do you have a bedtime snack?
Occasionally, I have a small snack like yogurt before bedtime.
How do you prepare for a busy day ahead?
I prepare the night before by organizing my tasks and making a to-do list.
Do you have a favorite type of weather that affects your routine?
I love sunny weather. It boosts my mood and makes outdoor activities more enjoyable.
How do you stay productive during study sessions?
I use the Pomodoro technique, taking short breaks between focused study sessions.
Any specific morning rituals that set the tone for your day?
I begin my day with a few minutes of meditation to center myself.
How do you adapt your routine on days with unexpected events?
I prioritize essential tasks and adjust my schedule to accommodate unexpected events.
Do you have a favorite quote or mantra that motivates you?
Progress, not perfection, is a mantra that keeps me motivated and focused on improvement.
What's your preferred mode of transportation for daily activities?
I usually walk or bike for short distances, but I use public transport for longer commutes.
How do you wind down before going to sleep?
I turn off electronic devices, read a book, and practice relaxation techniques to wind down.
Any long-term goals that influence your daily routine?
My long-term goal is to learn a new language, so I dedicate time each day to language study.
How do you handle time management for work or school projects?
I use a calendar and set deadlines to break down large projects into manageable tasks.
Any favorite podcasts or music you listen to during your daily activities?
I enjoy listening to motivational podcasts and a mix of various music genres.
How do you celebrate achievements, big or small, in your routine?
I treat myself to something special, like a favorite meal or a small outing with friends.
What's your strategy for staying focused during work or study sessions?
I create a dedicated workspace and minimize distractions to stay focused. Point 45.
Do you have a morning or evening skincare routine?
Yes, I have a simple skincare routine with cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen in the morning.
How do you ensure a healthy work-life balance in your routine?
I set boundaries, prioritize self-care, and make time for activities outside of work or study.
Any specific dietary preferences or restrictions that influence your meal?
I follow a balanced diet with a focus on incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins.
What's your favorite form of exercise to stay active?
I enjoy doing yoga as it helps me stay physically and mentally fit.
How do you prepare for the week ahead on Sundays?
I review my schedule, plan meals, and make a to-do list to set the tone for the upcoming week.
Any hobbies or activities you do to relax on weekends?
I like to explore new places, try out new recipes, or engage in outdoor activities on weekends.